Enough is enough. Enough is enough. I'm seizing this opportunity to call on Inspector General of Police, Tunde Diesel. I've been talking to you. I've been sending some videos of all these killings in my domain as the Chief Security Officer of Osun State. Nothing is done yet. I've spoken to the Vice President. Vice President has told me what to do. I will do it immediately. But what I'm saying is that enough is enough. My people are dying, and it's not acceptable.